everywhere is maize. Welcome to Tanzania, the bread basket of Kenya. There is maize everywhere, bro. Everywhere. There is plenty of food. So guys, not no one like you, but in Africa we are starving. We are starving. We are starving. Look at that. Phone. What's up? Welcome again. It's another exciting road trip. This is of mine. We head to a place called Mexico. My brother here is very dory, so we are escorting you. Hii ni content sana amefanya hapo. Ni muhimu. Lakini kama oh guys, we are still on course. We are heading to Meso with this brother of mine.
This guy is going to marry.
Yeah, we're taking officially to go pay Dory.
Yeah.
Stop. Just rolling, man. Oh, I know guys you remember Brian, the guy I was with on the other episode. Yeah, he is. There he looks so chill, very official. He's working. He's just from the office. Yeah, he is. Look at him. There he looks so chill and very official. Is he still the same guy? What's up, brother?
Nilikuwa naenda mbali bwana.
Yo bro. Adi.
You're still on.
Yeah, we're still on, bro. We're rolling.
Well, what do you say?
No, we're just heading to Meso, then we'll be back in a few.
Hii niko.
Soja turasa alafu.
Hii official ni kuficha umaskini kidogo.
Yes.
Kudanganya umaskini.
Yo, bro.
Niambia watu bwana.
Wata tukami na few.
Niambia mkirudi.
Sawa. Aha. Now the journey is on. Back to our Lagos. Sorry?
Not Tutsi. This one
is a Tutsi dish. A Tutsi dish. Yeah, this is the rough road now. So, guys, welcome to another exciting episode. This is roaming there. Here we are roaming to the place called Meso. With my buddy here. It's an exciting adventure. Let's go, man. If you're wondering, we're not putting in mind the precaution of putting on a helmet. Safety measures is not adhered to. But God is taking care of us for now. But we know we are out safely. Yeah, we're in the village. This is how we roll in the village. No pressure. In fact, you know, you can talk and have on one motorbike. That's right. So welcome to village life. No pressure at all. Our effort so far. What do you want to do? What do you want to say?
Just subscribe.
Yes. Like, share.
Thank you, brother.
Yo, the bell button. As a reminder, every time we upload a new video, we'll be able to watch it. This place called Mitoto. It's down it's Mitoto. It's a very small marketplace. And a lot of people are shopping. Everywhere is maize. Welcome to Tanzania, the bread basket of Kenya. There is maize everywhere, bro. Everywhere. There is plenty of food. So guys, not no one like you, but in Africa we are starving. We are starving. We are starving. Look at that. We really starving. Everybody is mates. We don't have water, we're starving. No atana. Only kanuri. We're suffering. We're really suffering. There's plenty of food here. We're really suffering. Oh man. Yeah, people are putting nice homesteads around here. Wow, look at those homesteads, bro. Oh, very nice homestead around this place. Oh man, this is Africa. Again now. Now there's sugar again, plantation, maize plantation.
Just nice scenery.
Everything is off the grid. No pipe water. No pipe water. It doesn't from the boat. Now we are ready to suffer. We are ready to suffer. Oh man. Well, everything here. Look at this place. They're just from school. International. For now, it's still not live. It's good, my brother. Bora tungoja tu hapa. Maliza shughuli kidogo alafu tuende kidogo.
So guys, this man is single.
Very much single.
Huh?
And I'm searching.
You're searching?
Yeah.
So what's your qualifications?
I just need a Turkana
qualities. Yeah?
A Turkana girl.
Turkana girl.
A black beauty.
A black beauty.
American height.
Yeah, you can see he's very tall. Huh?
Huh? Not very handsome. A bit of handsomeness. Very. Hey, tuko kwa gate. Inge.
Cameraman. Manze. Wow. Very big compound. Hapa sunza tolewa mbio na dogi. Kitambo ufike huko gate zitakuwa zimekumaliza. Very large.
Avocado 29.
Asitudenge hiyo. So guys, this is my first motorbike. I've just purchased this.
What are you doing, my brother?
So I'm going to make it.
Now guys, nikina nani wenye unaita tu guys.
The followers. Eti hapa. What are you doing, man?
I'm pumping the water.
From where?
From well. From the well.
From the well.
Hata tunaweza kubeba tu kwa kichwa mwingine.
Huh?
Tuko na nguvu.
Ngine nayo.
So guys, my friend here has just bought a motorbike, a pre-owned motorbike, and yeah, now he's a proud owner of a motorbike. It might look, next time we'll do a review of this motorbike. Right now it is how it looks. There is everything is just, yeah, but he'll pimp it up. It is a baby, bro. So guys, now we are heading back. This is Jera that brought us here, We came to buy a motorbike, and now we have it.
You're gonna.
I'll check from my phone. 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 I'll check from my phone.
So guys, now we are heading back with our motorbike. So the guys couldn't, they are waiting to board another motorbike because this one, it is fully occupied. No room for any other car. So yeah, let's go back and take this thing to the mechanic so that we can work on it. Here we go back. You know, I'm sorry I didn't record that video initially when we were trying to negotiate the price because I felt a bit private. So I wanted. I didn't know even the reaction. Maybe the family couldn't want them to. Couldn't know. They wanted us to document what was happening. So I tried to go out. Then I just record after we have already adjusted. So it is. They are motorbike now. After discussion with them, we came to an agreement. My prototype, we have to implement the motorbike. We have a guys just for another bike to go pick them up. Luckily, you can see the motorbike ahead of me. Let me not get guys in type of guy. All this plan is a bit far. Amore. Sasa. Bana kuna jamaa kwa nyuma. Enda tu.
Ende kwenda kwa jeep ya meso hii.
So,
Wawili. Mwingine wako na ndevu.
Sasa enda tu paka wafikie kuja nao. Tumefika. Hapa tuko huyu jamaa anajua nilimwambia penye anakuleta. Kwa stage tu kwenye mlikuwa tupo hapo kwa stage kwenye. Kutoka stage. Oh guys, I've arrived and the motorbike now is at the mechanic. Let's see how it goes.
Naona kazi inaendelea. Mambo ni bulai. Mr. Tobias, sema kitu bana, sema jambo. Ama una maoni?
Sina kabisa.
Nimefurahi sana.
Thank you, very important.
So,
Yani ni sherehe kubwa.
Ati mambo ni bulai. Yeah, you can say something, Mr. Everett.
As you can see, our mechanic, able mechanic, are still going on with the repairs of this bike.
Yeah.
Believe me, by the time this bike gets out of this garage, it will be working.
Yeah.
So they are doing their magic on it.
Yes.
So give it a few, like an hour from now. The bike will be up and down, it will be rolling. They will be having fun.
So thank you guys.
Thank you for what?
This is a vlog, so.
But you're doing it. Yo, welcome once more to Roaming Riot here. Now, back on a bike, so far so good. The bike is almost complete. And we'll be riding it from here to wherever we'll be going. Thanks to these double men. See, they're doing a very wonderful job. And we've been here like for 2 hours now. But the bike is back on track. The bike is back on track, and
Yeah.
we happy about
Everything is very nice.
It's a worth investment. Right now, our brother won't be working anymore.
Ashikiki sahi.
Kabisa.
Mambo ni safi.
Mambo ni bula. Bro, what do you have to say about your bike, bana? Sema kitu.
The bike is almost done. We are just winding up. At least when it will be on, we'll show you guys.
Yeah.
Yo guys,
Just wait
for the final thing.
some wrapping, everything.
Then we'll be done, right?
Actually, tunaweza launch next week.
Next week we'll be launching it officially.
Yeah.
New paints, new everything, new tires, new mudguards, everything.
So guys, stay tuned.
So next week we'll be relaunching it. Alright, so take it, guys.
Kama mko na Talent, people have talent.
So shop ndio tu iko hapo.
Hiyo kuna hivi tunaona tu hivi tuone. Nayo round moja hivi. Guys, the machine is working. Everything is working. Hey, Ulanga urienda bwana.